In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Assetto Corsa with Logitech G29. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly set up your Logitech G29 steering wheel to play Assetto Corsa. You will be able to do this process step by step. So first, connect your G29. Using the USB cable provided with your G29, plug it into one of the available USB ports on your PC. Now, once you have it connected and ready to go alongside the paddle, you will be able to launch Assetto Corsa. Now, usually you will have to go over through the G Hub software. This is where you will be able to get the latest drivers for your Logitech G29 and also manage the paddles and the wheel itself. So configure it however you like, but the most important thing by far is that you download the latest drivers available. Once this is done and you are inside of Assetto Corsa, you will be able to go over to the settings and change the input to your steering wheel. Next, you will be able to configure all of the controls. You can change stuff like force feedback and other settings like the sensitivity and so on, and you will be able to find all of the settings available inside of Assetto Corsa itself. You can modify the wheel outside of the game or the sim, but for the most part, you will also be able to fine-tune it inside. So, once you have configured your G29 with the latest software available, you will be able to experience Assetto Corsa with the steering wheel. It is going to be a very good experience because the game is completely tuned for steering wheel input, and as long as you get the latest firmware updates for your G29 and you modify your steering wheel to suit your needs and for your specific vehicles, you will be able to make the most out of it when playing Assetto Corsa or any other title like it on PC or other platforms. So just connect it to your PC, open G Hub, and then configure it from there. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Assetto Corsa with Logitech G29. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.